Billionaires who destroyed their villas. Ever wondered what happens when unimaginable wealth meets impulsive decisions? Some billionaires don't just live in luxury, they sometimes destroy it. From wild renovations to experimental designs gone wrong, these 10 tycoons turned their dream villas into shocking cautionary tales. 1. Roman Abramovich, the overzealous renovator. Roman Abramovich is famous for his sprawling London megamansion and immense wealth. He poured tens of millions into transforming it into the ultimate palace of luxury. However, rushed renovations and ambitious design choices quickly led to unintended damage. Walls cracked under structural stress, ceilings began to leak, and priceless artworks were affected. Even with top-tier contractors, the complexity of the project was too much to manage flawlessly. This mishap revealed that extreme ambition can sometimes outweigh careful planning. Abramovich's story is a reminder that money alone cannot prevent disaster. If you want to see more jaw-dropping billionaire mishaps and their luxury disasters, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and leave a comment telling us which villa shocker shocked you the most. 2. Nicolas Berggruen, the intentional demolisher. Nicolas Berggruen, often called the homeless billionaire, embraces minimalism but has a unique take on destruction. In Beverly Hills, he didn't simply renovate, he intentionally tore down entire sections of his villa. The goal was to rebuild according to his exact vision, creating a perfect fusion of art and living space. The demolition and reconstruction cost tens of millions, proving that sometimes destruction is part of creation. His approach highlights how radical decisions can come with massive financial and structural consequences. In the end, Berggruen turned ruin into refined elegance. 3. Vijay Mallya, party gone wrong. Vijay Mallya's Goan Villa was legendary for its over-the-top parties and extravagant lifestyle. During one notorious event, temporary stages and heavy installations collapsed, leaving structural cracks and water damage. The damage was extensive, affecting multiple floors and requiring major repairs. Mallya's careless indulgence became a literal and costly example of excess gone wrong. His villa, once a symbol of wealth and status, ended up partially destroyed. The incident highlights that even billionaires are not immune to the consequences of extravagance. It's a cautionary tale in responsibility and planning. 4. Ty Warner, the playful billionaire. Ty Warner, creator of Beanie Babies, brought his whimsical creativity into his Malibu mansion. Oversized installations, water features, and bold artistic experiments turned his home into a fantastical playground. However, some of these eccentric designs caused permanent structural damage to walls and foundations. Warner's story illustrates that limitless creativity, when unchecked, can have unintended consequences. Expensive repairs were required to restore functionality without compromising his artistic vision. The villa became a testament to the double-edged nature of extravagant imagination. Even the richest are not immune to the risks of bold design choices. 5. Roman Trotsenko, experimental designs. Roman Trotsenko's Moscow residence was designed to showcase futuristic architecture and cutting-edge technology. Automated systems, high-tech gadgets, and smart installations were meant to impress visitors and reflect his wealth. Unfortunately, several experiments went catastrophically wrong, causing flooding, fires, and structural damage. The cost of repair and redesign ran into millions, despite the lavish budget. Trotsenko's experience demonstrates that innovation in luxury estates comes with high risks. Even extreme wealth cannot fully protect against technical failures. It's a vivid example of ambition meeting unintended chaos. 6. Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa, royal renovation disaster. Even royalty can face destruction. The former Emir of Qatar invested in a grand expansion of his villa, employing the finest architects and engineers. Yet unforeseen engineering flaws caused partial collapse during construction. Expensive repairs and rework were unavoidable, illustrating that no level of wealth guarantees a flawless project. The incident highlighted the challenges of combining extreme scale with complex design. Even meticulously planned renovations can go awry. Sheikh Hamad's story shows that even in opulence, the smallest oversight can have major consequences. 7. Peter Brant, the artful destruction. Peter Brant, an American industrialist, treated his East Coast mansion as a living canvas. He installed large-scale art pieces that deliberately altered or damaged parts of the structure. While visually striking, these projects caused permanent damage and costly repairs. Brant blurred the line between artistic expression and structural destruction. His villa became both a gallery and a cautionary tale about ambitious experimentation. The story shows that creativity and risk can come at an extremely high price. Even billionaires face consequences when art meets architecture. 8. Roman Igumnov, fire experimentation. Roman Igumnov's Russian villa became a laboratory for high-tech fireplace and heating experiments. One attempt went disastrously wrong, sparking a fire that caused widespread interior damage. Walls, floors, and expensive furnishings were destroyed, requiring extensive restoration. Igumnov's story underscores the risks of combining innovation with luxury. Even the wealthiest cannot fully predict or prevent accidents in experimental projects. The villa became a case study in high-stakes trial and error. His experience is a reminder that curiosity can be costly when it meets extreme property. 9. Larry Ellison, Japanese garden overhaul. Oracle co-founder Larry Ellison repeatedly redesigned his Japanese-inspired Malibu villa. Elaborate water features, koi ponds, and cascading gardens were visually stunning, but eventually stressed the property's foundation. Structural cracks appeared, and repairs became a recurring issue. Ellison's perfectionism collided with the practical limits of engineering. Even meticulous planning and massive budgets couldn't prevent unintended consequences. His villa demonstrates that obsession with perfection can sometimes lead to ruin. Even billionaires learn that balance is key. 10. Al-Walid bin Talal, renovation overload. Prince Al-Walid bin Talal's Riyadh estate underwent rapid modernization, including advanced automation and luxury expansions. The fast pace of work caused structural issues, with cracked walls, warped floors, and damaged ceilings. Even billions of dollars could not prevent the costly setbacks caused by ambition and speed. The project serves as a cautionary tale about over-ambitious renovations. His experience shows that extreme wealth does not immunize anyone from mistakes. Sometimes the pursuit of perfection can become a destructive force.